There's nothing in this world I wouldn't
First of all, see this video. Did you notice something or not? Let me know in the comment. Both the videos are recorded in 4K at 120 fps. But there is a difference in their picture qualities. On Samsung S24 Ultra, picture quality is dim and light is low on the background. Even the water droplets and video detailings are not clear. On the other hand, iPhone 16 Pro Max picture quality is accurate and did not decrease. As you can see in the video, the background interior quality did not decrease or change. Also, the water droplets are more clear compared to S24 Ultra. That's the reason why people preferred iPhone over Samsung, just because whatever iPhone does, but they does perfectly and accurate. When Samsung can achieve this type of detailing and accuracy, then let me know.